Hey guys, welcome back to another video of FoxAndroid. So video will be in continuation with our GitHub series. So today we'll look at how to update the project on GitHub. So in the last video we have seen that how to make a GitHub repo and upload a project. But if you're working on on that project and on the later stage you want to update at a regular time, so I'll be explaining how to update the project, right? So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, if you're new to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and press the bell notification icon as well. So if I upload a new video, you get the notification for that. So for this, I'll be taking a same example as in the last tutorial. We have made this GitHub tutorial project and uploaded it on this GitHub, right? Here you can see this is the project. Now I'll make some modification in the source code and then update there on the GitHub, right? So if I go here, you'll see a color change as well. Here you can see the color of main activity file is main. If I do any modification, you'll see a color change. Okay, it turns to somewhat like I don't know, the color might be blue or sky blue. Okay, so this color change means that your project is not uploaded or updated on the GitHub. So if I just override one method for the sake of, okay, now I have made some modification. I need to update it to the GitHub. Okay, if I quickly go to my GitHub account, go to GitHub tutorial, go to app, go to source, go to main, inactivity.java. Here you can see only on create method is there, but in the project we have this on resume as well. So we need to update this code, right? So for this you go to VCS, right? Then you click on commit. So here you can write the message whatever you want to do. So if I click first update, so this message is if you are doing like 20 updates, so in future if you want to go backward and look at what modification you have done, so you mention it here. So it act as a comment we do in programming, right? So it is really good practice. So for this tutorial sake, I'll write first update, click on commit. So here is doing the thing. Okay, two files committed. So this commitment means now there is a local version of Git. It has committed that in the local version. Now we have to push this to the GitHub, right? GitHub server. So you again go to VCS. You go to this. Sorry, you go to Git. You go to push. Now you can click on push. So by default it will go to the master branch, so you can make other branches as well. So for the time sake I'll just update this on the master branch only. You simply click on this push button. Here you can see, okay, pushed one commit to origin. Otherwise if it's a long project, the other window may pop up which says there are some warnings and other thing. You simply click on commit again, right? If another window pops up, so you click on commit again, or if there is a push button you click on push again, then your project will be updated. If I just go here, if I just refresh this, okay, here you can see this code has been updated. Now on resume method is there, so it has been synced. And the, if you see the color of main activity has again turned to white. That means we have successfully updated the project on GitHub. So I hope you understood the steps involved in updating the project on GitHub. It is quite a easy thing, but if you do not know or you haven't seen a tutorial, it might look a bit scary, right? So we have covered three things: how to get a project from GitHub, how to create a project on GitHub from your Ender Studio, and how to update the source code for that project, right? So if you have any doubt, make sure to do mention it in the comment section or DM me on Instagram, right? I'll more than happy to help you guys. So if you're new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the bell notification icon. So that was it for today's video. See you in another video. Bye.